Hello everybody, Lead Gamer 201 again. In the last reports, we just got yet another key that leads into this room. We're gonna be going after another portrait ghost right now, and that shall be the butler. Yes, the pretty butler. Let's look at this flame. Yes, this is one of the few hallway flames that actually does not go out. And the boulder ghost is annoying me. And yeah, see, that one goes up, that one doesn't. How very strange, and would you go away, you? And the ball just drops. Blow flame on those candles, and fire, run away! He's gonna run all the way to his room, but we're gonna beat him. Beat him very badly if the ghosts don't annoy us, like they always do. Anyway, moving right along, we're gonna be going straight to his room, which is all the way down here. Now, as you can see right now, I shall be going past this room. We'll come back to here later. But now, we're in the butler's room. There's another fire element piece if you want to use that. My first hunt is go on this bucket, and you get a... if I can get it. Emerald, I believe, or sapphire, I don't know. Don't really know the names of that kind of stuff. Kind of like this mouse, this ghost mouse. There's multiple mice in this room, just suck them up when you can. And as you can see, here shivers. And wait for until he lands down. And we got it! Come on. Let's go, man, let's go. We got another portrait ghost in here, come on. Let's do it. Come on. Yeah, okay, we got the gold. Very nice. That is awesome. Got Big Pearl. Oh yeah. I am happy. Useless health, we don't need. Oh, the boo is in here. I was claimed my money. Peekaboo. No, do not go in the secret room. Aha, got it. One habit I'm gonna get back into is no saving. Reason is because this game, unlike Mario Sunshine, does not have a copy file feature. So if I fuck up, sorry for the language, that's gonna be about it. And why does that keep bouncing? I will never understand that. And that leads into that room, which I believe is the music room. But as for right now, we got secrets I want to show off. If you go in the first person mode and check out the toilet paper. Way to go, Luigi. No, and say if you look at this mouse hole and you click on it, secret entrance. I wonder what this can mean. Woohoo! Yes, this is one of the many, well, one of the two secret treasure rooms. Ow. A lot of bats in here, they can get annoying. And we missed 2 coins. Darn. Now, in this treasure chest, there's nothing in here. You may be wondering why. Well, there's going to be a spirit in there during the blackout, which I'll get into later. And we got even more money. Huh. Alright. Anything in this thing? Oh, there's health. Well, I'll take it, why not? You can never be on a shortage of health. Let's see if there's anything up here. Ooh, gold bar, I'll take it. Gimme. Let's see, what's in here? Oh, it's a ghost. Burn, bitch. These are ice ghosts. Their hearts are encased in ice. Simple as that. Ooh, money. Give me my money. Just throw flames on them. The heart will... well, the ice part will melt, but you can stick them up normally after that. And there we are. I believe this one also holds a ghost. Yep. Alright. And now since we got him... is this the last one? No, there's one more. Okay, it's on this one. Well, we got all the treasures just before the actual... okay. Yeah, you know what I was going to say there. And down the dusty goes. Let's see if we can get the boo in here first. Is in there? No. There? No. Here? No. It's funny how it's actually hiding in a treasure chest. It's kind of funny. He's in there. No, it's a bomb. I don't want no bums. Don't tell me he's in the same place where the bomb was. No, okay. No. As you can tell, I'm not really using the boo radar. Gumboo. He's his own self. Got him. So far, I'm going pretty flawless. You got another one. You're cruising, Luigi. And never mind. Let's see what this treasure chest holds, since we're in a golden room. Holy schnapolas. We have a ruby. Emerald. And I believe we're gonna get now a sapphire. Alright, so we got all those and a whole lot of money. Money. Give me the money. And that is it. There's a mirror on this back wall if you actually want to leave this room in another way, but I don't really need to. So let's go back into first person, go through the mouse hole, and away we go. Now let's actually go see what was in this room. You want to go into this washer over here before the ghost attacks, and he's gonna hit me, isn't he? Nope, got him. Yeah, we just found Mario's hat. It seems as if it's just been laundry recently. Yeah, I wonder why. Oh, red grabbers. These ones actually damage you when they grab you, so take them as vampires, if you will. Just take them as your classic vampires. Whoa, okay. What the? How did that still hit me? He was in the end of his animation. Oh, come on. I had better luck with the booze than you guys. Well, I'm gonna grab you at least. I mean, suck you in. I mean, not grab. You know what I meant, people. And let's get this pink puncher. Wow, that one health took him a while. Alright, there's a boo in here somewhere. Please don't screw me over. Do not screw me over, game. And it was a ball. Is there any here? No. Any in here? Get rid of the ball. Anything up there? No, I got some coins though. According to the radar, the boo's right here. I'm not really seeing that. Game, work, please. There we are. Get down, I'm Boogie. Whoa, we got some money in the lamp. Alright, I'll take it. I'll take it. Fantastic. Way to go, Luigi. And never mind. Be careful. And more money, because this was an optional room. Yes, it was a room we did not have to complete. A few gold bars. We got some more money. This is a good day. This is a really good day. So now let's go see where that key actually led to. And whoa, hey. Don't tempt me, bud. Oh, great. Now I have 75 health. Oh, whoa. Okay, you can get another fire spirit there if you want to. Oh, the first area is like crawling around with fire spirits, and apparently bowling ghosts. God, anything here? No. I don't really want the bats. I want the base. Health. Yes, I'll take it. Yes, please. Give me. I'll take it. And let's see what's in here. If we open the door, strange instruments. How very odd. How very odd indeed. See, is there anything in this thing? No. Alright. So, what we want to do is hit all these instruments. That sounds familiar, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
So is that? This is starting to sound familiar. For those of you who know Mario and his theme song, I swear there's not one person that does not know the song. I'm gonna let you hear it. Yep. The Super Mario Brothers theme song. Now, if you want to go over to the piano, you find another portrait ghost called Melody, which is a pun all in itself that I do not need to make fun of. Call me the spectacle beauty of the Ivory Keys. With a stirring performance, I haven't been so charmed by a piece for ages. You must have a delicate ear for music. Yes, I do. Would you like to listen to my piano sonata? She plays the song, you have to guess what game it's from, so listen. Mario Bros. 3, I guess? And feature game. This is Nintendo running their own thing. Mario Bros. 3.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly right, you got it. I don't know what happens if you guess wrong. I guess that's a good thing to test out later. Would you like to do battle with my lovely music sheets? Yeah, I stuck with all the music sheets so that way she can't play music anymore. And just suck her in. Alright. Come on, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. The only thing that can screw me over is the poison mushroom. That's the only thing that can screw me over. Nope, got it. Oh yeah, another gold. Got yet another gold. Whoa, that poison mushroom just clipped through me. And we can take off this portrait if you want to. Sure.
Oh yeah.
Let's get the boo in here before I start talking about the trivia that's in this room. Yes, there is a piece of little trivia in here. Is there anything in here? No. Do I have to? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah. Is it in here? Yep. Ah. Is it in here? Yep, he was. Wherefore off thy boomio. Ah, I'm in the hallway. Alright. Let's capture you in the hallway then. Because you only have 8 health. Or you can go back in the room again. I swear they're annoying. 7 health. Let's do this. Alright. You got another one. Alright. Never mind. Now, a piece of trivia. You see these pictures on the back wall? You see the frames that are on them? Well, these are actually the same silver frames you get for transforming them through Egad's machine. So apparently these are old ghosts that Egad captured. And the boos put them in the mansion for whatever reason if they hate Egad. I don't know, but it's an interesting piece of trivia. And we get a key. Which leads to... Oh, we're in the conservatory. Whatever. But that leads to the dining room, I believe. But just for the sake of practicalities. I'm gonna activate all these music thingies again. No. Yes. Yes. And yes. And I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy it, because this is actually very nice. Alright, enough of that. That is the only room where they make that reference, so very nice, I will say. Whoa, I almost got hit by a mouse. Whee! And now we shall go into this room. And has bananas. Oh no, the evil bananas. Dining room. That is Mr. Lugs back there. He ate himself to death and he's still eating. There's a spirit in here that I missed last time. Let's see what I can get this time. Ah, I got him! Haha! Yeah!